Article Gadiel-Simpson prune. What is Gadiel-Simpson prune, GSP, let SA trend, and everything you need to know about it? By Gadiel-Simpson prune, Ltd, PAPD 1, Table of Content. 2. What is Gadiel-Simpson prune, GSP? 3. The relationship between Gadiel-Simpson prune and let SA trend. 4. The key principle of gsplsat. 5. The gsplsat methodology. 6. The gsplsat process of business transformation. 7. For more information, visit our sites https://letsatrend.simdiff.com, https://gagadiel-simpson, prunegadiel-simpson pru, na.simdiff.com, reviewed and fact-checked introduction. What is Gadiel-Simpson prune? Let SA trend, its abbreviation, and meaning Gadiel-Simpson prune refers to God. I my fortune to exhibit extremes in terms of material success, elegance and uniqueness, to be graceful and balanced. gsplsat was developed by Richel's Mate Projects in 2017, and it has since been adopted by many other companies around its companion, including Madison Destiny, G12 Sneaker and Clothing, 100% UB Fresh Original, e-commerce skills development. It's useful in industries of manufacturing, innovation, media productions, IEKI, finance and service rendering industries, project management to improve customer satisfaction, reduce costs and increase profits.
Most of the time we spend money trying to impress a lot of people we know, but they do not even care about it. So I decided to make a controlling chart of all my resources from time, budget, and people I associate myself with to help me identify and inspect my errors. I call it Project Management of Gadiel-Simpson Prune Let SA Trend.
Let's get started. GSP, Let SA Trend is a set of methods and tool used to improve business ways by reducing faults and blunders, decreasing abnormality, and increasing quality and efficiency. The goal of gsplsat is to achieve a level of quality that is satisfactional to perfection with only a few losses. This is achieved by using a structured approach called Siram, Simplify, Inspect, Resolve, Alternate, Manage, to point out and remove causes of abnormality and improve ways. gsplsat is a formal and research approach mostly used in project management to achieve ways improvement and decreasing faults. It provides a system framework to point out and remove abnormality that can impact project performance. gsplsat is a method that combines two powerful ways: improvement technique Fortune and Trend. Fortune focuses on increasing innovation, and Trend focuses on decreasing decline and increasing efficiency by pointing out and removing non-value-adding activities. This involves streamlining ways, decreasing faults, improving quality, and enhancing resources to deliver more value with less effort. It involves simplifying, inspecting, resolving, alternating, managing ways to achieve conformable and certain results. By combining strengths of these two methods, gsplsat provides a broad approach to ways improvement that is a hybrid in any industry or sector. The key principle: customer satisfaction. The customer is the boss, so understanding the customer needs and what drives sales or loyalty through customer market demands and supply is important. Inspect the value stream and find the problem by using Value Stream Map to identify the process to improve, find objectives and scope, current state of the process, future state, problem areas of improvement, action plan, remove project failures, planning a lack of definition for the goal and vision, inaccurate estimate regarding time and money, inadequate risk management resources, team issue, including interpersonal problem, lack of money, lack of time, leadership and governances, decision-making problem, insufficient understanding of stakeholders and their expectation, poor project tracking and communication. Engagement Keep in Touch involves all stakeholders, adoption of a structured way for collaboration where team contributes and collaborate their varied expectations of problem solving. Induction and knowledge are required to decrease the risk of project or redesign failures and ensure performance optimally. Because when a problem is removed, it calls for change in the process and work practice in team approach. So, implementation of flexibility responsiveness to change should be adopted with ease to facilitate this ways to a competitive edge. The gsplsat methodology. Siram Simplify, Inspect, Resolve, Alternate manage is used in different project stings, and professionals seeking to master this methods and application scenarios would do well to take a short course with our industry experts through our site's registration process. Simplify the problem is simplified from customer S point of view. Objectives are set understood for achievement requirements, resources needed, and to be used to achieve the objective, mapping the way. Verification of stakeholders, that is the project on the right track. Inspect second phase. Inspect the problem with supporting data fix limits for why simplify system to be used. It helps to achieve full desired outcome. Resolve check if your ways are efficient and effective. Is the system helpful for the need? Balance the objectives in numerical order to decrease blunders by 30%. Point out abnormalities using historical data. Alternate test how previous phase influenced the present one. Discover relation in their databases. Activate activity tolerance. Define dataset values to fall within project limits boundaries. Clarification of all achievement and precise success validation are set to project completion. Manage approve statical system to be used. Design process capable to ensure goals are met with reduced blunders. Once the previous step, I satisfied process implementation. gsplsat key technique. Discussion sharing idea before using the tools exchanging ideas. Free-flowing group brainstorming in the presence of senior leader. Uprooting the cause. Why, how, where. Who, way to get clarity through question. Leading to core issue, customer feedback methods to let customer voice out. It may be social media, suggestion boxes, mailing the 5S system, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain. Continuous improvement, continuous monitoring, identifying and executing improvement, immediate change if the eye is a small inefficiency observed. Benchmarking comparison with other business to gain an independent appraisal of given situation, comparing departments' function services with competitors. Mistake proofing, avoid inefficiencies and human errors during manufacturing process. Value stream mapping charts create learner operations tools for analysis flowchart, histogram, cheat sheet, control chart. A flowchart, or flowchart, is a diagram that shows the steps in a process. Flowcharts are often used for visualizing the sequence of actions or information needed for training, documenting, planning, and decision-making. A histogram is a graph that shows the frequency of numerical data using rectangles. The height of a rectangle, the vertical axis, represents the distribution frequency of a variable, the amount or how often that variable appears. A check sheet is a structured, prepared form for collecting and analyzing data. This is a generic data collection and analysis tool that can be adapted for a wide variety of purposes. Control charts, also known as process behavior charts. The control chart is a graph used to study how a process changes over time. Data are plotted in time order. A control chart always has a central line for the average, an upper line for the upper control limit, and a lower line for the lower control limit. As gsplsat is aimed at project development, it's more effective in winning company standard with charts implementation. Gadiel Simpson prune, let S a trend ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes. I like that. Thank you for showing interest in gsplsat when considering your future ambitions. Partnership is the core of our values,